Hey everyone, this is Ed Newholt with Forward Intellect. Just wanted to jump on here real quick, just kind of throw something out at you. I just got done talking to a client that called me that they were having some issues, so I came out and visited with them, and while I was there, noticed that they had a brand new Wi-Fi, like a little access point, something you'd get from one of the big box stores, plugged in, and I noticed that it was actually connected to their LAN switch, and there's no passwords. There's no registration at all. There's nothing. It just, you find the Wi-Fi and you're in. So brought it to their attention, and lo and behold, they didn't see a problem with it because it was on the inside of their network. They thought everything would just work the way it's supposed to. And it just goes to show you, folks, you just need to have someone verify your technology. If you're a business owner and you're out there playing with technology, is that what you do every day? Do you understand the ramifications of making changes to your network? Do you understand what happens when you put an unconfigured device on the network? I don't care if it's a Wi-Fi access point, if it's a laptop, a computer, desktop, doesn't matter. If you haven't spent the time to configure the device and understand what the options are, do you need a firewall? Are you implementing an antivirus solution? Are you implementing the right antivirus solution? Do you have the updated versions? Have you patched the operating system? Have you patched all the applications? This is why a professional IT person is important. And I don't care if you need to, just hire them for a day to fix or to install something or fix something. This isn't what you do. I tell people all the time, and they get insulted because they think they know something about IT. They have a brother, of a friend, of a cousin, of a sister's nephew, whatever the relationship, that told them something. And so therefore now that person's either, walking on water and, they can't do anything wrong and they've done nothing to validate what they've done. And they just, blindly believe that this person has their best interest and knowledge and experience, and they're bringing it all to the table, and they're 16 years old, 18 years old, and never done anything, or maybe they have. I guess I shouldn't jump to conclusions, but in 9 times out of 10, what you'll find is somebody trusts somebody because they're a family member or a friend of a family member, and that's good enough. And today it is not good enough. Folks, I think you need to understand that technology has changed. It is significantly different than what it used to be. So spend the time, find your local professional, engage with them, have them come out, take the time to do an assessment of your infrastructure. I don't care if you have 1 laptop, 5 servers, 20 desktops, it doesn't matter. If you're on the internet and you don't do this for a living, take the time to have someone who does take a look at it. I will bet you dollars to donuts that they will find either glaring holes in your solution, or at least vulnerabilities that could expose you to some very bad stuff. So I just wanted to get out here and throw this out at you. It was just something that hit me while I was driving home. I get frustrated when I see stuff like this. And, thought I would just do a quick PSA and just say, look, there's a reason why technology firms, are so prevalent these days. We're able to bring people to the table and show them, the technology changes, where they're going wrong, what they should do. And it's because we have the experience. In my particular case, I've been a consultant for over 40 years. And I've seen a lot of stuff out there that, makes me cringe. And not only in the small business landscape, but in large enterprise. It doesn't matter the size of the organization, you can still make these stupid mistakes. So bring in, the professionals, have them audit your infrastructure, and make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do to keep yourself relatively safe. Having an open Wi-Fi, it doesn't take days for bad actors to find you. Yeah, I mean, literally, you could plug it in and be infected in minutes. So, they're out there, they're snooping, they don't care, what they're fishing for. They just know that eventually they'll get you. So take the time. If you have an infrastructure that is questionable, or you're not sure, you're not doing backups, or you only have one backup and it's been 6 months, all of those things an IT professional can definitely help you with. So if it's not, you can call us, Forward Intellect. We will be happy to do that for you. But find someone that can help you and help you understand what you need to do, what the next steps are, and build a plan, right? Build a plan for securing your infrastructure, for securing your business on the internet, and being able to conduct business safely without fear, or at least without a high level of fear. You should always stay fearful, my friends. There's so much going on out there. You need to be cautious, but at least have a relative comfort that you've done all the right stuff and it's being taken care of, and that you have a plan in case you are hacked. I would bet that most people do not understand what they need to do if something goes wrong in their network. The first thing they do is they can't use the internet, obviously, because it's most likely been compromised. So they go running around on their cell phone and they find a friend, or they look up computer dealers or security, and as soon as somebody finds out that you've been infected, chances are they'll either hang up or they'll give you some astronomical quote to come in and rip apart your network. So you should have a plan before it happens. We can definitely help you with that as well. So give us a call, or at least find someone that you can work with on a regular basis. So again, my name is Ed Newholt. I'm with Forward Intellect. We are here in Leesburg, Florida, just outside of Orlando. We look forward to talking to you. Give us a call. Have a great day.